All right, there you go. Again, welcome to our Forex Basic Webinar for tonight. And again, maraming salamat po sa lahat na andito from Hong Kong, Dubai, Riyadh, South Korea, sa lahat po. Thank you. No, so pag-uusapan natin tonight, guys, all about forex. Okay, wala naman sigurong napunta dito, no, kasi pag-uusapan is crypto or stocks. Again, klarong-klaro po, forex yung pag-uusapan natin tonight. And konting favor lang, okay? So, focus muna kayo konti, no? Kasi madalian lang naman to. And pag-uusapan natin more about forex, the basics, and how you're gonna earn using your cell phones. Okay? Pwedeng-pwede po kahit wala kayong laptop, you can still take advantage of your phones and earning dollars through it. Okay? Gusto nyo ba yon on the side, habang nag-aaral ka, habang nagtatrabaho ka, you can do this on the side. Alright? So, meron lang tatlong favor ako. Okay? Kanina sabi ko, focus muna kayo. Okay? Number 1 yun. Pangalawa, okay lang ba, keep your minds open. Kasi no matter what we share to you tonight or today, no, kung saan time zone ka man ngayon, whatever we share to you, ang mangyayari dito, guys, is hindi nyo mai-intake kung ano yung sasabihin namin or i-share namin kasi most likely marami na tayong alam or marami kang experience na hindi maganda that will hinder you to accept what we're gonna share to you. Okay? So bakit we, no? Kasi andito yung ibang coaches din, andito si Coach Nars. I'd like to acknowledge Coach Nars, yung founder po natin sa Pinoy Traders Academy or sa community. No, I believe we have Coach Jimro and Coach Jedalyn here. So, guys, again, just konting favor lang, just keep your minds open. Okay, wala namang mawawala, baka meron pang madagdag. Pangatlo, okay lang ba i-acknowledge natin si Lord tonight, no? Kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanya, this will not be all possible, 'di ba? Sa lahat ng oras, 'di ba? Bakit ngayon ikaw yung andito? Okay, that for me is a blessing, okay? All right, so let's put ourselves in the most holy presence of the Lord. Lord, Heavenly Father God, we just wanna thank you. We just wanna praise you, God. Maraming salamat po sa event tonight na talagang natuloy, God, na merong electricity, merong internet, malakas na internet, Lord. Salamat sa buhay ng mga andito, Lord. Bless their hearts, God. You know kung ano yung mga struggles, ano yung mga pinagdadaanan nila ngayon. Lord, may this event become a blessing to them. Give us wisdom and strength. Keep us safe always, God. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Thank you. Salamat sa mga nakiki-amen dyan. Alright. Thank you so much. So guys, ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba lahat? Type naman number 1 if ready na. Ready na. Okay, while pulling up my slides. Okay guys, Alright. There you go. Okay. Naka lang. Alright, ayan. So welcome to Forex Intro and Cheat Codes. Okay, so I'd like to introduce myself as well, guys. So I graduated from MSU IT. I'm from Iligan City. Alright, so I've been doing distribution business for quite some time as well. No? Sino dito mga negosyante na andito, naghahanap pa ng mga pagkakakitaan? Saludo po ako sa inyo. Alright. And I've been doing the digital business for 5 years. I don't know if you're familiar with e-commerce, Facebook ads, din po yung ginagawa ko dati, no? And if ever you're familiar with mga action cameras, I also have that business right now sa Cagayan de Oro, sa Iligan and Cebu, no? So bakit pa din na consider ko magnegosyo or mag-forex, bakit ko pinagsasabay-sabay? Simply because I want a good life for my family. Okay? I'll introduce them to you later on. And somehow, since dahil din sa lifestyle na nabibigay ng negosyo, no? Walang time in, time out, yun yung pinakagusto ko. Somehow, may financial freedom at time freedom. Kaya din naisipan namin ng soon-to-be wife ko, no? Na mag-content creation din, no? Yung mga travels namin, no? Yung mga kinakainan namin dyan po sa Wonder ko. Pero hindi pa kami consistent, ha? Pero we just wanna share with you lahat ng yan na experience namin dahil din sa tulong ng forex trading. Alright? And I started forex trading actually last 2018, no? Long story short, on and off yung relationship namin sa forex, para kaming minsan sweet, minsan magkagalit, minsan cool off, ganun po. Sino dito nakaka-relate, no? May mga iba dito na ganyan din yung experience, na somehow matagal mo na talagang figure out si forex trading, pero bakit talaga hindi mo makuha-kuha? May mga ganong instances ba kayong nararamdaman? And with that guys, kaya din na-explore ko si Madiscarding Pinoy Community, kaya ako din siya na nagawa, no? Kasi sabi ko, iba pag madiskarte ka. Alam ko maraming masisipag, alam ko maraming matatalino ng mga Pinoy, pero iba pa din pag, tama ba? Correct me if I'm wrong guys. Iba pa din pag madiskarte tayo sa buhay. Kaya I am one of the founders of Madiskarteng Pinoy program, para makatulong din sa mga fellow Pinoys natin, no, na matuto katulad ng mga ganito, 'di ba? Or pagnenegosyo online. All right? So, right now guys, bakit ko siya ginagawa? Simply because I have my motivation and I want to have a quality life with the people that I love, no? I'm pretty sure hindi naman siguro kayo umattend dito para lang sa wala. I'm pretty sure na andito kayo, lahat tayo may mga hugot. By the way, my mother is a public school teacher. My father as well is an OFW for 20 plus years. I was 9 years old. Can you just imagine? I'm 31 years old right now. 9 years old pa lang po, nag-a-abroad na po yung tatay ko sa Saudi Arabia. Okay, kaya saludo po talaga ako sa mga OFW na nagsasakripisyo para sa mga mahal nila sa buhay. And my brother, by God's grace, is an electrical engineer, and my partner is a registered nurse, no? Sino dito gusto na, sa mga OFW, kasi marami akong nakita kanina out of the country, sino dito sa inyo gusto nang mag for good? Or meron ba dito natatakot na mag for good kasi wala pa ding ipon? 'Di ba? Alam ko nararamdaman ko nyo, naiintindihan ko. I've seen the life of my father as well, no? Alam ko yung feeling. Pero I hope sana ito na yung answered prayer natin. And siguro hindi lang naman pera-pera yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, guys. We wanted to share to you a skill na kahit nasa Pinas ka, na kahit kasama mo yung pamilya mo, na kahit nag-e-enjoy ka, nagbabanding ka sa kanila, nag-a-attend ka ng mga special occasions, diba? Ang sarap kaya, nasa graduation ka, nasa vacation ka, or nasa birthday kasama sila, pero at the same time, you're earning dito kung magkano din yung ini-income mo abroad, na you will have that luxury. For me, time is a luxury. You will have that luxury na makasama mo yung pamilya mo, na buo kayo, nag-e-enjoy, pero habang kumikita ka. Would that sound good to you? And if you feel like you're that person, okay, please stay until the end, kasi may good news ako sa inyo. And for those people na gusto nyo lang din try lang, why not, no? Stay until the end. May mga bonus tayo na pag-uusapan mamaya. Alright? Okay. Now, guys, disclaimer lang, we do not accept any investment here. Okay? Mostly kasi, okay, bakit namin sinasabi yan? Mostly kasi, expectation natin, pag Forex, correct me if I'm wrong, investment. Okay? Tama ba? You agree with me? Marami kasi ginagawa yung mga ganito, sad to say, not in a good way. Okay? It's a no-no for us, guys. Pag meron kang nakita, nag-message sa'yo sa personal account mo, no, coming from our community, saying na mag-invest ka, ako yung magte-trade ng pera mo, red flag yan, guys. We do not do that in our community. No yan. Yet, what we do here, we teach you how to grow your own money. Okay? We teach you how to trade your own money. Yun yung pinaka-goal natin. Hindi yung magbibigay-bigay ka ng pera kasi ayaw mo nang dumaan sa proseso. Guys, remember, dito guys, jumpstart na natin yung trading journey nyo. So, wag nating gawin yan kasi sad to say, no? Bakit ko sinasabi na wag nating gawin to? I am one of those victims ng mga ganitong klaseng scheme. Forex trading is legit. Okay? Pag may nagsabi sa yung scam si Forex trading, hindi natin mabiblame kasi baka yung experience niya is scam. Okay? Just like what happened to me. But somehow, sadly, nag-invest kami doon. Actually, guys, it was one of our worst nightmare na muntik nang talagang dumaan sa legal process, no? Talagang di kami makatulog ng maayos noon. It was somehow a bad decision that we really regret, but somehow it was a blessing in disguise. Bakit siya naging blessing in disguise? Kasi dun ako na open sa forex. Ang nangyari, when I knew about it, nag-dig deeper ako, I learned that this is the language of the rich. Ito yung mga pinagkakakitaan din ng mga mayayaman na hindi alam ng mga middle class at ang mga mas mababa pa, 'di ba? Kasi marami akong nakakausap din dito na mga OFW na mga amo nila nagfo-forex trading din. Legit po si forex, legit po si stocks market, legit din po si crypto. It's just that be very careful kasi maraming tao ang ginagamit etong mga legit na mga platforms, no? Ito, I mean, legit industries. Okay? So, be careful pag sinasabi na tutubo yung pera mo, wala kang gagawin after few months, ganito ganyan, tapos ilalagay mo sa account niya ganyan. No yan. All right? So next, okay? Ayan, mamaya guys babasahin ko yung mga ano nyo ha, mga comments nyo. At the moment lang proceed tayo. Mamaya may Q&A tayo. Okay? Now, basic forex part 1 and we have the part 2 for cheat codes. Guys, can you type number 1 if you're someone that do not have any idea what forex is or do not have any experience sa forex? Can you type number 1 para survey lang alam ko kung sino yung mga nakikinig right now? Uy, thank you ha, marami tayo. Para may panang parami. Alright, thank you. And if you're someone na meron ka ng experience, nakapag-trade ka na talaga, can you type number 2 sa comment section? Alright? Alright, there you go. Alright. Parang 4, 5 lang. Alright, thank you so much. So guys, sa mga medyo may alam na, is it okay if well, medyo lang natin, adjust lang natin para sa mga baguhan, no? Kasi meron namang ibang trainings for you guys, okay? Na mas level up. Pero siguro somehow, this will be a refresher for you as well, okay? Thank you, thank you. Maraming salamat, okay? Now, I have a question for you guys. What do you think about this statement? Is forex trading risky or not? Para sa inyo. Risky ba siya or hindi? What do you think about it? For me kasi nung time na talagang wala pa akong idea, lalo na nung na-scam ako dati, I always tell myself hindi na ako papasok sa ganitong industry. Okay? Kasi napaka-risky. Okay? Pero somehow in life, eto walang halong motivational quotes, no? I mean, in life, kailangan mo din talaga ng risk. Kasi just like this, no? When my father decided to go abroad, no, hindi siya nagpaalam sa nanay ko. I mean, later on, kumuha na pala siya ng passport, nag-process na pala siya and all. Tsaka niya na lang kami pinaalam nung almost na siyang aalis, no. Anyways, to cut the long story short, I can remember na hindi pa accessible ang internet connection that time. We were just sending him letters through post office, ganyan talaga yung status dati. Every 2 years pa siya dati umuwi. Pero what's the point? Anong relate nito, Sir MJ? Simple lang. Mostly sa mga nag-a-abroad, hindi natin alam kung ano yung naghihintay na buhay sa inyo sa abroad. 'Di ba? Question mark yan always kung mabuti ba yung amo mo, kung okay ba yung work mo, 'di ba? It's always a question mark. Wala talagang makakapagsabi sa iyo kung ano yung naghihintay sa iyo doon. Pero guess what? You took the risk. Okay? bumili ng plane ticket, nag-process ng passport, 'di ba? Somehow ang pinaka-biggest talaga na risk is iwanan mo yung mga mahal mo sa buhay na hindi mo alam kung kailan mo sila ulit makikita. Kasi hindi natin alam yung panahon eh, right? Pero why is it still you took the risk? Bakit ka nag-risk? 'Di ba? Bakit ka nag-risk? Because you know the reward is good. You know that the risk has a very, very, very big reward. Tama ba? Tama ba? Kasi may pangarap ka eh. Tama tong sinabi dito. May pangarap ka. May pangarap ka not only for yourself but as well as for your family. And this guys, sa forex trading guys, hindi pwede mahihina ang loob. I believe mga common sa OFW, sa mga kabayan natin, malalakas talaga yung mga loob nito. Bakit ko sinasabi? This is not for the faint-hearted. Kasi po, pag medyo mahina yung loob mo, hindi ka talaga mag-flourish dito. But however, the good thing is, yung risk, malelesen siya as long as you are knowledgeable about something. 'Di ba? For example, magda-drive ka ng kotse, wala kang license, wala kang alam paano mag-drive, tapos pinag-drive ka, anong mangyayari sa'yo? Mataas yung chance sa aksidente. However, if you're someone na pinag-drive ka, dumaan ka sa driving lesson, hindi ka nagpa-fixer sa LTO, no? Nag-exam ka talaga, talagang dinaanan mo yung tamang proseso, chances are liliit din yung risk mo. So meron dito tayong tinatawag na risk-reward ratio, okay? Forex is risky, but it is also very rewarding, all right? Now, bakit Forex? Simply because it's a digital business. Again guys, negosyo din to. It's a buy and sell business of currencies. Okay? Dollars, CAD, 'di ba? Euro. So buy and sell currencies. So digital na siya, meaning online na siya. Ang kagandahan, you can do it with the access of your phones and laptops. Basta meron ka lang internet. Wala naman sigurong umattend dito, nakakipad pa yung cellphone, di ba? No, kidding aside, dati guys, umaayaw tayo when it comes to online. Inaayawan natin pag online selling, 'di ba? Pag TikTok dati, ayaw ko pang mag-TikTok eh kasi puro sayaw-sayaw lang. Pero guess what? Ang dami ngayon nagti-TikTok sa affiliate, kumikita ng milyon buwan-buwan. 'Di ba? Dati tingin ko sa mga sorry to say, tingin ko dati sa mga nag-online selling is hindi nakapagtapos ganyan. Pero ngayon, guess what? The world is changing. I believe it's also the very high time for us to adapt. So sobrang ganda ng Forex kasi digital business na siya. Habang gumagala ka, habang nasa bakasyon ka, you can still do it. Okay? Second, flexible lifestyle. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Marami kasing different types of traders. But the best thing is, pwede kang pumili kung anong fit sa'yo. If you want to be magaling ka sa scalping, pwede. Kahit 5 to 10 minutes mo lang siyang gawin, pwede. Marami sa amin ganun din dito. 5 to 10 minutes ka lang nagtitrade, pero kumikita ka pa din. Okay? Now, kung gusto mo naman full-time ka, depende na din sa'yo. Pero I love the idea na pwede ka, habang nagtatrabaho ka as an OFW, pwede mo din siyang magawa on the side. Pangatlo, low startup cost. Okay? Now, bakit maliit? Excuse me. Simple lang. You will start from there. Okay? You will start from kahit $100 to $200 lang, you can still grow it. Nalalaki talaga din siya. Kasi malaki yung posibleng kitain mo dito sa Forex. Kaya nga, high earning potential. May mga kakilala po ako kumikita dito 100 to 200,000 every day. Every day. Okay? Now, kailangan ba malaking puhunan agad-agad, Sir MJ? No. No? We do not suggest na malaki agad. Especially if you do not have any idea yet. Kasi it's not about the money. It's about the skill you are learning. Kasi kahit malaki pa yung puhunan mo, marami kasing nagsasabi, magkano puhunan nito? Kasi bakit kumikita siya ng 100,000, 200,000? Magkano kaya puhunan yan? You know what? At the end of the day, kung wala kang idea, masusunog at mauubos pa rin yan kasi wala kang alam. Okay? Now, the best question is, instead of asking, magkano yung puhunan, kaya kung bakit kumikita siya ng ganyan kalaki, the best question is, dapat magtanong ka, ano kaya yung strategy niya? Ano kaya yung ginagawa niya? Ano kaya yung best practices niya kung bakit kumikita siya ka ng ganyan kalaki? Alright? Now, last but not the least, no experience needed. So, hindi kailangan matalino ka sa math dito. No, hindi kailangan techie ka, no? As long as you are willing kang manood ng videos, willing kang makinig, willing kang matuto. Kasi if you're not willing, if you're not patient enough, again, this is not for you. Okay? Pero for me, nung nakita ko to, sabi ko, kahit hindi ako magaling sa math, kahit wala akong pasensya, I will extend. Kasi once I learned this skill, there's no turning back. And this is for the people that I love. Remember, patience is the key. Pag yung perfect strategy for you, na-adjust mo na yung sarili mo, there's no turning back. Posibleng mababago talaga yung buhay mo this year, this 2025. Alright? So, ayos tayo dyan. Okay, next. What is Forex? Okay? Now, basically guys, again, sabihin ko sa inyo, it's a buy and sell of currencies. Okay? So, Forex is the abbreviation of foreign exchange. Basic example, ito, this is foreign exchange. This is Forex on a traditional way. So, traditional way ito. Okay? 'Di ba? Marami sa atin bumibili ng gold tapos hinihintay tumaas yung presyo ng gold. It's the same thing. Buy and sell. Kunwari, for example, if you're from the US, you cannot use your dollars here in the Philippines, right? Kailangan mong papalitan. Okay? Or kung lalabas ka naman or kung magta-Thailand ka, 'di ba? From Philippine peso, you need to exchange that to baht. That certain small gap, that is where you earn. That is where the banks earn, di ba? Kunwari, for example, naabutan nyo ba guys nung nag-50 pesos pa si dollars? Ngayon, mataas na eh. Can you just imagine if meron kang $1,000, bumili ka ng dollars. Kahit nasa Pinas ka, pwede ka naman bumili ng dollars eh, di ba, sa bangko. Okay? Or you get a dollar account. You put your money there. Kung meron kang $1,000 nung 50 pesos pa si dollars, ngayon nasa 58 pesos, umabot pa nga to ng 60. Can you just imagine, meron kang magkano? 8,000 pesos. Not bad. 'Di ba? Kinip mo lang, nagantay ka ng tamang timing, you earn out from it. You earn 8 pesos profit for each dollar, 'di ba? So, basically, it's the buy and sell of currencies. Kung mano-mano to, pupunta ka ng Amerika, magpapapalit ka, pupunta ka na naman meron akong kilala na ganyan yung ginagawa niya every time magta-travel siya. So, he's earning from it as well. But dito guys, more of digital yung ginagawa natin. Okay? Now, it's the largest financial market in the world. Actually, as we speak as it's around 7.1 trillion of dollars are traded every day. Not every month, not every week, it's every day. Lumalabas, pumapasok yung pera. And good thing, global market. And right now, no, as you can see, it's the most liquid business in the world. When you say most liquid, yung labas-pasok ng pera, malaki. Okay? Now, ibig sabihin guys, when someone tells you na nagfo-forex or mag-forex ka, tapos sasabihin niya na stay mo lang yung money mo ng 1 month dyan, tsaka tutubo ng 10%, 20%, 30%, hindi mo makukuha, red flag yan. Sa forex po, anytime na gusto mo siyang withdrawin, you can withdraw it. Wala pong lock-in. Again, red flag. If may magsasabi sa'yo na ilalagay mo yung pera mo, ilalock-in mo muna for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, tsaka mo makukuha at merong tubo. Okay? be very careful. The best thing you can learn here tonight is hindi ka na masascam pa ulit. Kasi wala na pong scammer pag wala na pong magpapascam. Okay? So please, I've been there. Maraming masisira na buhay lalo na pag naka-experience ka ng mga ganyang bagay. Hindi lang sa'yo, even the people around you. So please be very careful. Educate yourself. Okay? Aralin mo. Lalo na tong sinasabi ko sa'yo ngayon. Okay? It operates 24/5. Wala po tayong weekend except for BTC USD. Meron po. Available on any smart devices just like what I told you kanina. And you know what's the biggest blessing right now? Dati kasi, yung allowed lang na mag-trade are the government, the central banks, the financial institutions, no, yung nasa Wall Street lang, yung malalaking companies lang who have the funds to trade. But right now, as we are individuals, we are called as retail traders. The good thing about it is lahat tayo allowed na. Kaya perfect timing ngayon na alam mo na at nag-dig in deeper ka kasi this time may chance at opportunity na tayo. Okay? Now, again, it's like si buy and sell of currencies, parang ano lang din guys, parang buy and sell lang din ng bigas. 'Di ba? Bumili ka at a lower price, you sell it on a higher price. However, the question is, sir, if the price goes down, will I still make money? Yes, that's a good thing. Dalawa kasi yung movement ng market sa Forex, guys. Okay? Now, same thing with other tradings, but you can take advantage of those movements. And what are these movements? Dalawa yan. Buy position and the sell position. Okay? It doesn't mean na nag-red yan is loss yan. Okay? Kasi dati, wala pa akong alam, pag nakakita ko ng pula, negative na agad yung mindset ko or loss na yung mindset ko. No. Remember this. Buy, it's fino-forecast mo ang market na aakyat and yung sell is fino-forecast mo na ang market is bababa. Okay? Ayos tayo doon. Type B for buy and S for sell. Pa-comment naman. Baka natulog na yung iba dito habang umiinom muna ako ng kape konti. Alright, may nagdo-drawing. Sir Jason, wag muna tayong mag-drawing. Ayan. Thank you sa nag-comment. B for buy, S for sell. Okay, thank you. Now, by the way, these are the Forex major pairings, currency pairings, guys. So, si Euro USD, si British Pound US Dollar. So, kung makikita nyo, mostly major currency talaga siya pag may USD, no? Kaya guys, wag kayong magtaka, yung mga news, merong mga sa baba dumadaan mga news, yung mga trade tariff wars ngayon, 'di ba? Affected yung currencies niyan, 'di ba? I believe mga OFW malungkot pag mababa si dollar kasi apektado. Apektado. Nung tatay ko din, maalala ko pag mababa si dollar malulungkot din kasi mababa din yung real sa Saudi. So medyo yung conversion maliit din yung 'di ba? Padala natin, tama? So eto guys, it's again the buy and sell of currencies. Pero meron pang other than this. We have commodities like gold and USD and mga indices like US30. So, wag kayong magtaka. Ito yung tinitrade natin. Okay? Ito yung mga currencies. Marami pa to guys. Okay? Now, so, another thing to take note, no, ito din yung mga common terms aside from buy and sell, no? It's what we call TP and SL. So, ano ba yung TP? It's take profit, okay? So, si take profit po, that means it's an order na pag na-hit nyo yung certain na order na yan, automatically magko-close siya and automatic lalagay siya sa platform, no? Sa platform natin as income or profit na. Take profit. TP means take profit. You get your profit. Okay? Stop loss naman, it's an order wherein it helps you na hindi na lalaki yung loss mo. So, at least habang nagsustroll ka, 'di ba? May take profit ka na o pag dumating yung certain price na to, close yun na. Pag bumagsak naman or hindi siya expected, nag-stop loss ka, automatic din siyang magko-close. So, hindi na siya sakit sa ulo sa'yo. Okay? May mga positions na or orders na ganyan. Alright? Now, Tulungan niyo ako guys kasi I believe somehow it's a workshop content din tong gagawin din natin. Tanong ko lang sa inyo, etong tinake ni trader, okay? Etong trade na to, ito pala yung tinatawag natin guys na mga candlestick. Okay? These are patterns, may mga patterns to na makakatulong sa iyo on how to somehow mataas yung forecast mo on a certain trade or tama yung forecast mo to a certain trade. Nakakatulong tong mga candlesticks na to guys. Okay? Now, ito lang yung tanong ko. Etong tinake ni trader, is it a buy or a sell order? Okay? Ano yung fino-forecast ng trader na to? Tataas ba yung price or bababa? Okay? Okay. Guys, again, I'll answer questions later on Please, take note muna guys. Matututo muna tayo bago tayo magtanong, okay? Now, thank you. Thank you sa mga nagko-comment. Okay, it's a buy. Okay? So, bakit sa buy? Okay? I believe merong pattern na nakita yung trader na to na finorcast niya na buy. When the trader put an entry, dito siya nagput ng entry sa 1.098554. So dito siya, kunwari USD tong Euro USD, Norcas niya tataas. So eto guys, etong mga candlestick na to, hindi niya pa to nakikita when the trader took the trade. Okay? So ibig sabihin, naglagay siya ng target 1, target 2. This is what we call TP. TP1, TP2. Okay? At this certain price. Finorcast ni trader na aakyat to, okay? Nagposition na siya. Hindi na siya guys, one time positioning lang to. Okay? Ginawa ni trader. So sabi niya, pag darating to, take profit na. So umabot ng take profit 1, tapos ng take profit 2. Also the trader put a stop loss. Pag buy po yung in-execute ni trader, ang stop loss po nasa baba. Kasi ibig sabihin, just in case na mag-reverse ang movement ng market, at least hindi din malaki, calculated din yung losses niya. Okay? Calculated din yung losses. Sir, ibig sabihin ba may instances pa din na matatalo ka sa forex trading? Yes. Any trade, kahit sa crypto trading, kahit sa stock trading, even sa forex trading, wala pong santo dito. Wala pong someone na would tell us na 101% wala siyang talo. Okay? Guys, pag merong nagsabi sa inyo nun na wala siyang talo ever since, nako, wag kayong umalis. Tumakbo kayo papalayo kasi budol yun. Okay? Natawa nga ako merong one time sa GC natin, sabi niya wala daw siyang talo. Pero naghahanap ng signal. Meron bang ganun? Lalo na sa mga naghahanap lang ng signal dito, nako po, be very careful kasi wala pong somehow, nothing against signal, okay naman yun kung kilala mo talaga yung nagbibigay ng signal, pero walang foundation din somehow. Maganda din may foundation ka din on how to take those trades as well. Okay? Pero don't worry din sa mga busy na OFW, if you don't have time to analyze the market, meron din kaming good news sa inyo. Meron din tayong AI, no? Mag-i-explain din kami later on ng AI na mas mapapadali natin yung pag-grow ng pera nyo. Alright? Be excited? Okay? Number 2, okay. Question, etong trade na to, ano ba yung trade kaya na ginawa ni trader? Sa tingin nyo, pa-comment naman. Okay, yan. Sell. Grabe, fast learner yung mga dito Perfect, no? Again, bakit sell? Okay, pinorcast ni trader ngayon na bababa yung market. Okay? So si TP is nasa baba. Si SL naman is nasa taas, okay? Now, nag-TP ba si trader dito? Yes, okay? Again, when the trader took this trade, hindi niya pa to nakikita ang market. Kaya wala talagang 100%. Anytime pag may mga high impact news, may magulo medyo mataas yung volatility, hindi mo talaga alam. Pero good thing may stop loss and TP. All right? So, hindi ibig sabihin nakakulay red yan, talo na yan That means that the movement of the market is going down. Pag red, pag green naman tumataas. Pero dito guys sa platform natin, you can change it naman. Pero basic lang to na colors. Alright? Now, there are three types of market analysis. But mostly guys, si sentimental kasi basic lang eh. Parang ganito. Pag December, mataas talaga yung plane ticket fare. Kasi seasonal siya. Parang ganun. So, magigauge nyo talaga kung bababa or tataas through it. Okay? Now, sa technical at fundamental naman, ito yung medyo mostly talagang marami yung naka-base nito or they are the type of traders na either technical, fundamental, or both. Okay? So, sa fundamental, na forecast nila ang trading or ang movement ng market through those news. Okay? Through news. 'Di ba? Sa mga balita nakita niyo yung mga maliliit na mga dumadaan diyan. Meron din ganito, okay? Pero may mga applications and platforms na nagsisend na ng mga news. And if you see red news or red, yan, mga nakapula, those are what we call as HIN. Can you type HIN? Okay? Ano ba yung HIN? Okay? HIN means high impact news. Okay, tama, HIN. High impact news. Pag may mga ganon, apektado po ang currencies, apektado po ang economy on a certain country. So kunwari, ngayon, 'di ba? Sobrang init ng Canada at ng US. So may mga impact 'yun sa currencies or sa movement ng market. Okay? So careful tayo, 'wag kang mag-trade pag may mga high impact news yung mga nakapula. Okay? Now, second, technical analysis. Mostly if you're the type of trader na naka-base on mga charts or technical analysis, maganda din siya kasi dito mo ma-identify ang entry and exit points for trades. So may mga patterns siya guys na sinusunod. Actually, these are Japanese candlestick na nakikita nyo. Okay? Now, sa technical analysis lang guys, ito yung patterns na sinasabi namin. 'Di ba? Pag pataas, buy. Pag pababa, sell. May mga movement ng market na makikita nyo dito na kunwari, ito, resistance zone and support zone. Okay? Hindi mo makita yung support zone dito. Okay. Dalawa kasi yan. Resistance zone at support zone. Usually, si resistance zone, ang purpose niya is, at saka si support, dyan nagbabounce yung dyan nagbabounce guys, ang prices. And pag lumabas siya, kunwari, ang bigas, di ba? Ngayon, magkano na? So, kunwari, kung 1 kilong bigas nasa 60 pesos, tapos umabot sa point na nag-100 siya. Okay? Ang nangyari dyan guys, magbe-break away yan. That means binasag niya ang current pricing ng isang currency or kunwari ang bigas. Pero kung magre-respect siya sa resistance zone, kasi si resistance zone, ito yung parang ceiling. Si support zone, yan din yung floor or sahig. Most of the time, magre-respect yung pricing niya. Tataas, bababa. Ganyan po yung purpose ng resistance zone. Okay? Now, marami to guys, no? May falling wedge, may bat, may head and shoulders. Hindi lang pala ano to, shampoo si head and shoulders. Meron din sa forex, no? Si ascending triangle, rising wedge, may mga per candlestick dyan guys, may mga purpose din yan. Makikita nyo si doji, it's a sign of reversal. May mga ganyan, no? Na later on matututo din kayo pag nasa community na kayo. Pero question, is forex complicated? Be honest, is forex complicated? Itong nakikita nyo ngayon, si entry, si breakdown, si breakout, si retest entry, si reversal, retracement, 'di ba? May mga ganyang terms. Yes, I understand it's complicated, no? Honestly, dati muntik na akong sumuko dahil sa mga ganito, sa mga maraming i-memorize eh, 'di ba? Imaginein mo, nagtatrabaho ka or nag-aaral ka tapos nagnenegosyo ka tapos ang dami mo pang aaralin. Pero sabi nga, patience is the key. But question, do you want an easier solution? Gusto nyo ba mas mapadali natin yung trading journey nyo? Gusto nyo ba yun? Alright? Now guys, I'd like to introduce to you the cheat codes. Okay? Now, sobrang for me, ano siya, it's a blessing. Ka nga, kasi dati guys, as in wala akong patience sa pag-aaral. It's somehow a blessing kasi I know these people, no? Yung community at nagpapasalamat ko lalo kay Coach Nars and kay Coach Edsel. Si Coach Nars is someone on the right side, yung naka-black polo, and si Coach Edsel naman yung merong ayan, may blue na arrow, alright? Si Coach Nars is my mentor sa digital business journey ko, okay? Sa e-commerce, sa Facebook advertising. He's a guru on that field in the Philippine industry, okay? Now, si Coach Edsel naman, I knew him because he's also in the distribution business way back few years ago, no? So I've seen him from hindi pa siya sobrang yumaman, tapos bumagsak yung business. And even na-interview siya sa RDR Talks, no, sa mga familiar dito sa mga businesses, no. Right now guys, can you just imagine from a 26 million na utang na bayaran niya dahil sa forex? Sino dito may mga utang? Taas kamay. Wag na lang kayong mag-comment kung nahiya kayo. Okay lang kasi wala naman siguro yung inutangan nyo dito. It's alright, no? Lahat tayo dumadaan sa ganun na sitwasyon. Wala naman sigurong um, virgin. Sino ba dito virgin pa sa utang? Sige nga. 'Di ba? Now, guys, let's be honest. Lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan. May mga utang, may mga ganito ganyan. And you know what? Because of this community, because of Coach Nars, because of Coach Edsel as well, na-guide ako, natuto ako, kaya lumakas yung loob ko right now na mag-share din at somehow educate others as well, no? Kasi very common naririnig natin na sa scam. And you know what guys, you don't want it to happen to you. I tell you, napakahirap pag naramdaman niyo 'yan, pag dumating sa buhay niyo 'yan. As in, hindi kayo makakatulog ng maayos, hindi niyo alam kung kung ano yung gagawin. Sometimes worst comes to worst, mga hindi na magagandang bagay yung naisip natin. But you know what guys, their story, si Coach Nars, si Coach Edsel, their story is a living proof na may chance pa talaga at really God moves in mysterious ways na I can say even sa akin na dati ayaw ko na sana, pero when they introduced the cheat codes, no, when they introduced to me na MJ, tingnan mo ulit si Forex, baka ito na yung chance, no? Kasi maraming beses na din ako nasunugan, guys. Baka ito na yung chance na hinahanap mo. So, guys, kung ano yung pinakita nila sa akin few months ago, okay? Ganun din yung ipapakita ko sa inyo, the cheat codes. At dun din ako na-open na sabi ko, grabe, dati napakahirap, pahirapan pa. Nagse-search ka lang sa YouTube. Kahit ano na lang talaga ma-search mo, nalilito ka na lang sa kaka-search. Bakit ngayon lang to? And somehow sabi ko, may purpose pala talaga. At least this time, mas mapapadali ko na yung forex trading journey ko. And guess what guys, kanina nag-withdraw ako. Mamaya pag nasa GC kayo, I'll give instruction on how you can add dun sa GC natin. And nag-withdraw ako kanina. Sobrang nakaka-amaze. Kanina, nagte-trade 5 to 10 minutes lang. As in, sabi ko, grabe, bakit ngayon ka lang? 'Di ba? Napapakanta ka na lang eh. Bakit ngayon ka lang? 'Di ba? Bakit ngayon lang? And right now guys, eto na yung gusto kong tutukan nyo. Wag na kayong umalis pa, mag-CR. Eto na muna, papakita ko sa inyo something that really helped us with our training journey. Okay? Now, number 1 is yung AI tools. Number 1 cheat code, AI tool. Guys, kung may chat GPT na, meron na ding AI sa Forex. Okay? Good news to. Kasi mas mapapadali pa natin yung journey natin dito. Number 1, dalawa kasi yung AI natin. Okay? Number 1 is si pattern scanner, which is a manual trading. Ito yung AI pattern scanner natin guys, na instead na mag-memorize ka pa ng mga ng mga patterns, ito na yung mag-a-assess ng mga patterns or ng mga candlestick sa market. Okay? So, pag may nakita siya na pattern na complete, like butterfly, bat, pipili ka lang kung anong pattern yung hinahanap mo, siya na yung mag-a-assess. And siya na din yung magbibigay sa'yo ng idea when to sell and when to buy, saan yung TP1, saan yung TP2, at saan yung stop loss. Okay? Also, meron na ding video for that na tuturuan ka paano siya gagamitin. Okay? This is what we call Manara Pattern Scanner. At bakit siya maganda? Bakit maganda si Manara Pattern Scanner? Because harmonic patterns are very profitable patterns with a success ratio of 70%. That means if you're familiar of seeing patterns sa chart, mataas yung profitability mo dito. Okay? Common concern kasi sa pagte-trading, pag may mga patterns na rare and difficult to identify by mga non-professional, di mo talaga makikita yan. Hindi mo siya masasabayan. Okay? You will lose the chance to earn out from that certain trade. Sayang may pattern ka na nakita, hindi mo lang naintindihan, 'di ba? And guys, eto guys kahit i-search nyo, no, systematic test of over 3,000 harmonic trading patterns have shown that merong mga specific patterns, no, na katulad ng bat, crab, no, these patterns are correct over 85% of the time for both bullish and bearish. At si crab at bat, isa din yan sa pattern na andito na pag na-assess niya guys, magbibigay siya ng idea sa'yo. Okay? Siya na yung mag-a-analyze sa'yo. And the harmonic patterns are often highly accurate. So can you just imagine? So dito guys, may magsasabi siya complete, incomplete, ganyan, successful, failed. So meron siya na yung mag-a-assess sa'yo. Okay? Malaking tulong ba? Yes, of course. 'Di ba? Now, these are examples guys of trades na naging successful dahil sa Manara pattern scanner natin. Imagine lang guys, 2 trades lang yan. Around $1,300. Etong pinapakita ko sa inyo guys, these are not in pesos. These are in dollars. Alright? Now, eto guys, isang trade lang. Grabe. Super confident sa lot size. 10. Siguro nagamay niya na talaga si Manara. May hinihintay ito. Can you just imagine, in just a certain trade, kumita si trader ng 238,000 pesos lang naman. Imaginein mo, may mga tao kumikita ng 238,000 sa isang trade lang. I don't know if this is just for a day or maybe this is just around 30 minutes or 1 hour. Pero alam mo ang unfair. Bakit? Habang tayo, 'di ba? Dati magkano lang yung sahod? Magkano to? Imagine mo kung nasa 20,000 pesos ka lang, may kumita ng 238,000 divided by 20,000. Imagine mo, yung 11 months nakita sa pagtatrabaho na may sahod kang 20,000, thank you Lord pa din. Pero bakit may iba, kikitain lang yung 11s mo ng isang araw? 'Di ba? Is it worth studying? Maganda ba aralin? Yes, of course. Imaginein mo yung 11 months or 1 year mo pagtatrabaho, kukunin lang ng isang trader na 1 day. Why not? 'Di ba? Pag darating yung time na aabot din tayo dito. 'Di ba? Ako guys, hindi pa ako umabot sa ganito ha. Hindi ko trade to. Pero I'm really looking forward kasi nagsimula na ako and there's no turning back. Kumikita na ako. Ibig sabihin, I'm getting there. Ang tanong, ikaw. 'Di ba? Ito din. Narinig nyo ba guys? May music yan. Sayang, hindi ata naririnig. Anyways, guys, imagine niyo. Okay? Imagine niyo. Yan. That's live trade. Kinita lang naman ng trader na 26 years old is 234,000 isang araw. Ito yung real trade niya guys ha. Ang outcome nito is ito. Okay? Now, guys, dahil lang yan sa Manara. Dahil lang yan sa pattern scanner na katulong sa kanya. Can you just imagine 234,000 in 1 day? 26 years old. Alam mo, guess what? isa lang naman siyang seaman na hindi na bumalik sa pagbabarko dahil natuto na siya dito sa community natin. Palakpakan naman natin yan. 'Di ba? Baka next time ikaw na, 'di ba? And guys, I've met him last February. Very very humble, di mo talaga makitaan ng yabang. Sobrang sobrang matulungin sa community natin. You will meet him soon, no? Soon. One of these days sa mga ano din natin, mga trainings din natin. All right? So next, okay? Hindi ko na malayan yung oras. Another one, no? Medyo napasarap yung usapan natin, guys. Dapat 1 hour lang ako. Give me few minutes, I'm almost done. Okay? Now, si Wealth Gainer, guys, ito din, good news, another AI for us. Kung wala kang time talaga, no? And you have the money, we have this what we call the Wealth Gainer, a stress-free automated trading, okay? With over 1 year proven performance, okay? Now, ang possible growth ng AI na to, guys, is nasa around up to 15%. But basically, minsan nagfa 5% siya, minsan nagsi 7%. But good news is, you will not give your money to us. You will just put it in the regulated broker that we are partnered with Light Finance, with over 20 years na po yan. Sobrang sikat po ni Light Finance na broker. Kung nagtitrade ka, kilala mo si Light Finance, 'di ba? Marami yan eh. Pero si Light Finance are one of the first talaga sa mga ganito. Super proven and tested. Pero guys, kung maglalagay ka ng ano dito, starting capital, minimum of $300 ha. Now, kahit anytime i-withdraw mo, ngayon ka nag-deposit, mamaya i-withdraw mo, walang problema. Okay? So, guys, daming mga good feedbacks with our Wealth Gainer. Minsan nag-a-average siya ng 7%. Sino bang imagine nyo guys with over 1 year track record, ito na siya. No? Ito yung 1 year niya na track record per month. Can you just imagine kung meron kang 1 million pesos right now, tapos mag-earn siya ng at least 7%. Magkano ba? 1 million. Meron ka lang siguro 70,000 a month if hindi ako nagkakamali. 70,000 pesos per month. That's not bad. Sino bang magbibigay sa'yo nun? 'Di ba? Meron nga kami from KSA, nasa around $3,500 nata pinapasok niya. Possible daw before the month ends mag $5,000 siya. At least kumita siya ng at least 10 to 15,000 every month na walang ginagawa. That's not bad after all. But then again, you will not give your money to us. May regulated and legit broker. Also, anytime pwede mong withdrawin yun. Okay? But remember, invest what you are willing to lose. Okay? Next, we also have this swipe to trade. Sige na nga, sa mga somehow busy, no? Kung hindi talaga kaya sa oras minsan, ito yung tinatawag natin na copy trading or signals din, no? Nakasama na siya guys sa app natin dito sa community natin. All you need to do is swipe it. May app siya, isa-swipe mo lang kung ano yung trade na ginawa ng mga master traders. Automatically, pagka-swipe mo yan, makakopy mo na yan sa broker mo. You can even use demo para to try it lang muna. Okay? So, parang nagka-copy trade ka lang talaga. Ang maganda dito, yung mga traders natin are our educators. So, magagaling na din talaga to sila, guys. So, imagine, natututo ka na, may AI ka pa, 'di ba? Pwede ka pang mag-copy. And also, guys, ang maganda din dito, may app din si Iconic, no, yung community natin wherein you can follow traders na somehow doon din magbibigay sila ng mga signals din. All right? Now, next, number 3, we have sino dito mga naghahanap sa YouTube ng mga free trainings? 'Di ba? Dito guys, may academy na tayo. Hindi ka na malilito. Step by step na. Okay? May basic, may advanced, may masterclass, and guess what? May mga quizzes pa to. Okay? Hindi ka na talaga malilito kung sino-sino nang pinapanood mo, nag-information overload ka na. Dito guys, imagine this. Para ka lang nag-enroll, para kang merong subject na forex yung in-enrollan mo. Okay? Now, andyan na yung mga videos, step by step. Okay? May mga masterclass pa. Okay? Hindi ka na malilito. Step by step na siya. Okay? Now, eto din yung mga educators natin. We have Edris, si Abdallah, si Jessica. Si Abdallah, by the way, guys, is one of our expert trader and he's been an economist for how many years already. Okay? Now, ang pinaka-favorite ko dito is eto siya. Etong live trading with Abdallah. Okay? Wherein si Abdallah is our master trader na sinasabayan lang natin yung trade niya. Okay? Pag sinabi niyang sell, pwede mo din gawin on your end. Pag sinabi niyang buy, pwede mo din gawin on your end. Parang ganito siya, guys. Okay? Kanina, nag-live siya. Okay? Maghihintay ka lang, maa-access mo to sa Academy website, hihintayin mo lang siyang mag-live doon every day. 9:30 p.m. PH time. Pero minsan 10:30 kasi nag-iiba yung opening ng New York session, especially sa daylight saving something, may mga ganun sila. Alright? So, guys, pero may mga nagtatanong sa akin, Sir, paano kung wala si Abdallah? Guys, huwag kang mag-alala. Kasi guys, hindi siya mawawala. Pero maraming nagsasabi na yan yung mga traders na walang foundation, ganito ganyan. Guess what, guys? Si Abdallah po may training mismo sa website dun sa ECA. Dito po, meron po siyang training dito na kasama na po na ini-explain niya na on how he takes the trade. Hindi po tayo sunod-sunuran ni Abdallah na hindi natin alam din kung paano siya mag-trade. May backtesting session si Abdallah, guys. Pinapakita niya, ina-assess niya on how he takes the trade na kahit wala siya, kahit hindi mo siya pakinggan, kaya mo pa din gawin to. Alright? So, disclaimer lang ha, baka sinasabi ng makarinig kayo na, ay, nagka-copy lang naman sila. Ayaw mo pa nun, pero po, may foundation din yun. May ini-explain din ni Abdallah yung pagte-trade niya. Okay, may training din yan. Alright? So, klaro tayo dyan. Now, also, ang pinaka-bonus pa guys, actually, dati, di ba, pag mag-e-enroll ka lang, ikaw na bahala. Dito guys, hindi ganun. Maganda dito, kanina nga, kakatapos lang ng free 2-day challenge namin sa mga beginners, no? Grabe talaga yung commitment natin na marami pa ding matututo. Meron tayong, bukas meron, Saturday, Nako, sobrang ganda bukas. Nako, congratulations ahead sa mga makakasali bukas. Or mamaya na pala dito sa Pinas. Mamaya 8 p.m. dito sa Pilipinas, guys. Chart Mastery. I-reveal ni Coach Nars mamaya yung secret strategy niya. Nako po. Be there, alright? Pero paano ba, Coach, makasali, no? Good thing, guys, sa community natin, all walks of life, no? Very open tayo. Even si Sir Eman, he's 66 years old, 67 na nga, kumikita pa din dahil sa community natin at dahil sa mga natutunan nila sa community. Meron dito all the time signals confirmed provider, signals given by the provider were 120% reliable. Guys, kahit hindi na nga lang 120, kahit 80% is good to hear na din. First time in my entire forex trading career na consistent akong earnings. Wow, grabe, no? Guys, also si Abdallah nagpo-post din niya ng talo si Abdallah, guys, ha. Pero parang once ko lang ata since nag-join ako sa community, once or twice ko lang ata nakita si Abdallah nag-post ng talo. Ibig sabihin, he's very transparent. Talagang pinopost niya yan, guys. So, meron din kasama natin si Miss Jedalyn, no? Imagine mo, pumuputok ang ubo. Pang-isahang buwan na din ang profit. Kahit may ubo, nag-trade. 4 hours, naka-income ng 42,000 pesos. Nasa UAE to si Miss Jedalyn. Can you just imagine? Grabe, no? Ito din, Manara, sir, confirm. Confirm sa chart. Kumita ng $1,200. Grabe. Guys, lahat ng to, the AI tools, the Manara, the auto trade, the swipe to trade, the videos, the basics, live trading, lahat ng to, guys, makukuha mo. But question, Sir MJ, how much will it take me to have that? Simple lang, guys. If you want money, kailangan mo maglabas ng pera. Okay? For a basic or for a formal forex class, ang basic course po is nasa around 70 to 150,000 pesos. Advanced, nasa 400,000 pesos. That's true. No, kung nasa Pinas ka, may sikat dito na nagpapa-event talaga. 80,000 yung naalala ko, pupunta ka pa ng Manila sa Makati or sa BGC pa yon. 2 days, 3 days yung doon, alright? Now, tapos hindi
Okay.
wait lang ha. Hindi pa sure kung matututo ka talaga. Dito, ang good news, recorded na lahat. May mga Zoom webinars pa every every Thursday, may Friday, tsaka may Saturday pa. Tuturuan ka pa lahat recorded. Kung OFW ka, wag kang mag-alala. Kasi bakit? Magagawa mo siya at on your own time. Okay? Pero good news, hindi ka magbabayad ng 400,000 or 70,000 ngayon. Bakit? Okay? You can have it for as low as, by the way, ito pala yung academy natin, si Iconic, and it was established in the year 5 years ago, no, sa United States. Ito din yung mga may-ari ng academy, okay? But for the community, ang founder po natin is si Coach Nars, okay? Now, okay, eto na. This is the moment of truth, okay? For the enrollment, guys, for option 1, you can pay using credit card or debit card, Maya, GoTime pwede, GCash lang hindi pwede. You can have it everything. Lahat na. Yung in-explain ko kanina sa cheat code, si AI, si Banara, si Eka, si VIP Signal, si Live Sessions, you can have it for 999 pesos. Sorry, mali. $999 for only for 1 year. Okay? $999 for 1 year. Okay? Now, kung gusto mo naman 6 months, pwede 645. At merong 30,000 pesos na bonus nasa around, bonus to na mga trainings guys na worth 30,000 pesos. Alright? Can you just imagine? Pero wait lang, okay? Wag muna kayong umalis. Baka may mga alis na may good news pa ako sa inyo. Wait lang. Guys, imagine, $999, almost siguro nasa 50,000, 56,000 1 year time. Guys, maghanap kayo ng Forex na 1 year. Tuturuan ka, igaguide ka, naka-recorded na lahat for 1 year ibibigay sa'yo at proven and tested na yung system ha, yung mga strategies. Imagine, nag-aral nga tayo, magkano ginastos ng magulang natin, wala pang assurance yun na makakapagtrabaho tayo. 'Di ba? Pero dito guys, ito lahat na, okay? Pero good news, okay? If hindi pa talaga kaya, pwede naman mag-credit card, no? Pero pag hindi pa talaga kaya, guys, sa iba guys, meron 1,500, may monthly pa na $99. Monthly yung 1,500, $118. May monthly pa. Dito wala ka ng monthly subscription, 1 year na. Pero if you wanna try, okay, grabe, sobrang privilege tayo. If you wanna try for at least 1 month time, okay, ito yung suggestion ko. You can try the option 2 using your credit card or debit card. Pwede kang mag-start ng $199 on your first month. Or for emerging countries, you can start for $179 only. Okay? Now, ano bang difference, coach? Wala. Okay? Simple lang. For Philippine markets, may mga elite may mga emerging countries na nagbibigay sila ng discount, yung 179. Pero for Elite Pro, no, for Elite Pro that's $199. 1 month lang 'yan, guys. Sir, paano kung mag-proceed ako next month? You can pay, discounted ka na on the next month, you can pay for as low as $149. Okay? Now, kung ayaw ko naman mag-continue, sir, kung 1 month lang, matututo na ba ako? Yes. Kung matyaga ka lang talaga. If you are really willing. Gigyan mo lang ng 1 hour every day, malabo na hindi ka matututo. Okay? Now, pwede bang hindi ko i-proceed on the next month? Pwede. Again, the $199, pipili ka lang either 179 or 199, 1 month lang yon. Okay? Pero matututo ka na ba doon? Yes. Basta matyaga ka lang. Okay? Kikita ka na ba doon? Yes. Basta again, matyaga ka lang. At saka may mga bonus pa. And also, if you start right now, if you start today, you can attend the event tomorrow. And congratulations. Kasi ibibigay ni Coach Nars ang bonus niya doon na recorded na yung secret reveal niya na 1 proven and tested niya na strategy. Okay? So, congratulations ahead. Okay? All right. Now, guys, if you are still here and coach, medyo mahirap pala talaga yung pera kasi baka end of the month na, baka sa sahod na, walang problema. Okay, I have good news for you. You can still join, no? Kung wala ka pang pera, gusto mo munang mag-observe, join our GC for free. Ito yung bonus ko sa inyo. How to join our GC for free? Just simply message the person or the page na nagbigay sa iyo ng Zoom link na to, message them na I joined the webinar. Just reply sa tao or sa page na nagbigay sa iyo na I joined the webinar to join our GC for free. Also guys, good news. Naka-upload na doon yung day 1 and hopefully tomorrow, day 2 ng 2 days beginners challenge natin. Matyaga ka lang mag-scroll up sa GC, okay? Marami kang makita na libre na training din doon. Alright? Now, again, do not message me, do not message dito sa GC, message ka sa tao or sa page na nagbigay sa'yo ng I joined the webinar. Alright? Now, guys, grabe. Yung community natin sobrang nakaka-bless. Okay? Ang sarap lang, no? Kasi may magme-message sa'yo bigla, coach, kumita na ako. Sir, salamat talaga. 'Di ba na dati hopeless na. And what will happen to you if you subscribe? This is gonna happen to you. Either mababawi mo yung enrollment mo or either magta times 10 times 20 pa yan. Just like kay Miss Marichu. Grabe si Miss Marichu, guys. Mas nabilib ako dito sa kanya. Can you just imagine? Nag-enroll siya, nagbayad siya ng enrollment niya last week of December. January of 2025, kumita lang naman ng 90,000 pesos. Imagine guys, ito yung isa din sa trade niya. And she's around 40 plus years old from Cebu. Grabe, online niya lang din tong nakita. Can you just imagine? Okay? Now, pwede din. Ito guys, dating nurse, kumita lang naman ng 1,000,000 dahil sa trading, sa forex trading. 1 million pesos. My God. Grabe, very life-changing. Di nyo lang marinig yung guys, but even si Sir Senator Manny Pacquiao, no, is also a believer of financial education, no. Kasama din po siya sa din natin, sa pag-stand when it comes to educating Filipinos when it comes to forex as well. Now, ito din guys. Question, do you still want to learn to earn in trading pero ayaw mong mag-enroll? Actually, ang sinabi ni Tatay Digong dito guys is, wag mong subukan. Masisira buhay mo. Kasi marami dito guys I tell you, marami dito gustong mag-start ng forex trading, ayaw mag-invest sa sarili. Guess what? 95% of the new traders fail because the reason, number 1, insufficient education and knowledge. Okay? Insufficient education and knowledge. Kaya yan guys, nangyayari, nasusunog ang pera natin kasi kaka-explore, nakalimutan natin, unahin yung skills, unahin ang pag-aaral. Alright? So eto guys, etong 2-day challenge Forex for beginners, meron na to sa GC. If you message, again, wag mong kalimutan i-message ang nagbigay sa'yo ng link na to na you join the webinar. Okay? Last but not the least, and I will answer questions, feel free to ask guys. Invest in yourself as much as you can. You are your own biggest asset by far. Remember, nagtrabaho ka, hindi naman ibang tao nagtrabaho para sa'yo. You worked for yourself, ikaw kumita, ginastos mo din para sa sarili mo at sa pamilya mo. I believe it's also the best time to invest in yourself on the learnings. Guys, baka mas mahal pa yung cellphone mo, hindi ka naman kumikita dyan. Baka nga mas mahal pa yung sapatos mo. I believe, I understand, iba-iba tayo ng gusto. Sir, walang basagan ng trip. Yes, but why will you hold back on something that can help you na kumita ng mas malaki para mas marami ka pang cellphone, sapatos, travel na mabibigay sa buhay mo at hindi lang ikaw. Imagine if matututo ka ng mag-trade, pwede mo nang ituro to sa kapatid mo, sa anak mo, sa apo mo. Imaginein mo, the rest of your family. Bakit ko na-imagine yan guys? If you see and observe si Small Laude, nakaka-inspire lang kasi yung family nila, may kita mo, nasa travel sila, pero yung anak at yung husband niya, nakikita nyo minsan may dala-dala pang laptop, nagte-trade habang gumagala. Kumikita habang gumagala. Kasi this is one of the secrets of the rich people na hindi nila sinishare sa atin. So better invest here. Naubos oras natin kaka-TikTok, panood ng TikTok, sila lang yung mayaman. Tayo din. 'Di ba? Magkano lang naman yung 179, 199, nasa around 11,800, 'di ba? And good news guys, hindi pa naman kayo maglalabas ng pera for that live trading. On the first 2 weeks, you will still start with demo trading. Live charts, again, live charts, the same as the live trading, pero demo money. At ituturo namin yan. Okay? So wag muna kayong mag-alala kung magkano yung capital sa trading, unahin nyo muna ang enrollment. Alright? So, I'm done. Do you have questions? I can see here questions. Alright, may mga tanong dito guys. Unahin ko to. Can we copy swipe to trade yung scalp ni Master Abdallah? Guys, si Abdallah po is live nagte-trade. So, you cannot copy it. Scalping din yan. As in, 5 minutes. Minsan nga, 1 minute, 2 minutes, tapos na po si Abdallah. Ganun kabilis. Walang stop loss, walang TP. Just tuturuan ka niyan kung paano ka mag-exit ng mabilisan din at mag-entry. Okay? A trader get 1,000 a minute a day. FW. Alright, unfair talaga. Ganun talaga. Anong broker niyo, sir, para makagawa? Okay, just message the person or the page na nag-message sa'yo. May naka-assign na coaches and leaders. Sila yung magbibigay ng link sa inyo. Okay? Sila yung magbibigay ng link. Okay? Do you still have questions, guys? Parang mga matatalino yung mga viewers natin ngayon, ah. Fast learner, ah. Paano po mag-start nito? Gusto ko lang malaman. Okay. Guys, na-mention ko na, okay? Don't worry, may recording din tong video na to. You can still view it, okay? Member na ako, paano malaman unsang paggamit ang Manara Automated AI? Sir, I don't know if sino yung naka-assign sa'yo na coach, but please, meron tayong instructions as in naka-step by step na. Kung sino yung naka-assign sa'yo na leader or coach, may Google Docs as in from step 1, step 2, step 3, meron na po yan si Manara. Tsaka you can open it sa website natin, sa Academy. Just click Digital Products and then click Manara. Digital Products tapos click Manara. Okay? Paano pag ikaw na member ka na last June 24? If you want, ito kasi guys different kasi yung community. Okay? May iba na medyo pushy sila sa affiliate. But I am very blessed. Because with Coach Nars leadership sa community po natin, nakafocus po talaga tayo sa forex trading, educating people. It's up to you to choose kung gusto mo na may ibang mentor na mag-a-assist sa'yo. 2024 pa naman, I believe so, pwede pa, no? So you can still make another one, okay? Sir, may deadline ba ang enrollment? Wala naman po. Pero, ang tanong, kailan mo ba gustong magbago yung buhay mo? Next month? Next year? Today? I believe the best time is today. Habang andyan pa yung fire sa sarili mo, take that bold step. 'Di ba? Yung hindi ka makatulog kasi excited ka nang matuto at kumita ng dollars. Pag nakita niyo yung GC namin guys, promise, every 9:30 nagkakagulo-gulo na yan, nagsisend na yung mga results. Even sa 4 PM, 4:30 opening din ng ibang session. Nako, magulo. Mag-e-enjoy ka. Sir, paano ma-view ulit ang video? Okay. Now, guys, just message the person or the page who sent you this link kasi we will upload recording of this, no? So, i-upload natin tapos ibibigay namin sa inyo. Just message the person or page na I joined the webinar. And again, if you're enrolling today, congratulations kasi bukas is a chart mastery session and i-reveal ni Coach Nars bukas ang number 1 secret strategy niya. So if I were you, wag mo nang patagalin pa. Miss Jen, is this the same with cryptocurrency? This is forex trading po. Almost the same but different. Si crypto po is trading in coins. We are trading in currencies. Okay? Baka na-late lang to si Miss Jen. I hope you will get a copy of the recording of this. Okay? Magiging problema po ba ang oras ng pag-trading? No. Di siya problema kasi worldwide opening po yan si Forex. Hindi po natutulog si Forex, no? You can, if alam mo na yung mga strategies, you can do it on your own. And lahat po dito recorded, kaya po maganda din siya sa mga kabayan natin. Kasi you can do it at your own time, at your own pace. Troubleshooting po ako, bakit po at kailangan ba ng yun? Yes, kasi 1 month lang po yung babayaran. I don't know kung 1 year po yung in-avail nyo, yung platinum, pero kung 1 month lang yung binayaran mo, you still need to renew or magbayad ka dun sa monthly. Okay? So, klaro naman yung sinabi ko na yung 199 at 179, that is just for 1 month. Matututo ka ba? Kikita ka ba? Yes. Basta matyaga ka lang din. Okay? Bawal po to sa tamad, bawal po to sa gusto ng sagot agad kasi may mga papanooron kang videos and we do not do one-on-one coaching. Okay? Sir, pag nagbayad ba ako, anytime ba mag-message ako sa'yo, tatawag ako, sasagot ka ba agad? Guys, sasagot kami as long as we are free. No, but we do not do one-on-one coaching. Kung gusto mo mag one-on-one coaching, may different payment yan. But good thing is lahat naka-step by step na, lahat recorded na, but we will also guide you. Hindi po ibig din sabihin na group coaching lang is bahala ka na sa buhay mo. Once you're enrolled, you do your part, we do our part, magtulungan tayo. Okay? Bawal po tamad sa community natin. Okay? We do not tolerate that kasi si Forex is a high-paying skill. Hindi po to para sa mga tamad, no? Gusto mabago yung buhay pero walang gagawin, wala pong ganun, okay? But I do encourage, alam ko po mayroong andito na nakikinig na you know that this is your sign, okay? To start, take action, okay? Yes, nag-increase na po Miss MJ, no? Coach, yung 179 para sa AI, iba pa yung capital doon. Yes, good point Miss or Mr. Jory. Yes, iba pa yung capital noon. Pero you can avail it na. Okay? Habang nag-aaral ka, if you have spare money, nag-enroll ka muna, no? Enroll ka muna, habang nag-aaral ka, pwede mong gawin si AI, may $300 ka at least, stay mo lang doon. Kung gagamitin mo na anytime, pwede mo namang ma-withdraw. Okay? Yes, hindi po depende sa community yung $149. Okay? Last April po, nag-increase na po talaga si Whole Iconic. Okay? Si economy. Alright? So, meron din inflation po, ma'am. Tumataas na po yung mga bilihin ngayon. Okay? Pero depende kung saan ka comfortable na community. Alright? So maraming salamat. I'm done. Thank you so much. I hope natuto kayo. Thank you so much everyone. God bless you. Message the person na nagbigay sa inyo ng link and let them know that you joined the webinar. Thank you. Sir Jory, pahabol, yes, minimum po of $300. Please view the video ulit para mas maintindihan nyo. Thank you po. God bless po everyone. Ingat po kayo.